In this Masterworks tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to create a work order request. In the work order request process, I'm going to be focusing on this upper left area where we start a work order and create a draft. First thing I need to do is click on the solicitation module, expand open the non-formal folder, and click on work order request. And then I go ahead and click new. The selection type is bi-monthly, since this comes from a master contract that was solicited in the bi-monthly selection. The work order request title is a free form. I will enter that in. I click on the ellipses next to the master group ID to find that master group. In this instance, I know mine is July 2019, so I filter on that. And click filter. I select it and hit select. This is for North Central region, so I'll click on the ellipses to the right of Region Bureau. Scroll down, click NC, hit select. The date of request is today. Use the drop-down, click on today's date. I will add in the project ID this is for. There are a lot of projects, so it's most easy to just go ahead and filter. Click on the filter. Enter your project ID, click filter. Select it, click select. I will then enter in the project description scope of service. I will answer yes that the project ID is authorized for charging. And since this is a very small work order, I'm going to click no on CBA required. I'll click the ellipses to the right of program code. I know that this is 3031 is the program code. Click on the filter. Is equal to 3031. Click filter. Click on the program code. Hit select. For the project manager, click on the ellipses. We'll grab my name. Click select. Right now, there is no initial estimate amount. That's what I'll be working on in the next step. I am going to say DOT estimate completed because I do have that information. I'll be entering it in the next step of the Masterworks process. The anticipated contract execution date, click on the drop-down. I'm going to navigate to October 1, 2019, select that. The advertised fixed fee comes in. That's from the master contract. There is no DBE goal, and there is no federal funding. Scroll down, click on the ellipses for a recommended firm. I click on the Alpha Company and click select. This master contract ID comes in. For contract function, I'll click on the ellipses to the right of it. Click on Design Services. Hit select. Justification for the recommended firm. I enter that justification. A list of other firms qualified to complete the work. I will click Add. I will click on the Beta Company and the Gamma Company and click Select. I can then go ahead and rank them. I'll click on Beta, click Edit. I'll rank them as the second ranked firm. Click Save. Gamma will be the third ranked firm. Click Save. And finally, firms rate approved. So does the Alpha Company have an indirect rate approved? I will click Yes. And I'll scroll down. I have no other notes to add and no attachments. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll back to the top. Looks like everything is complete. And click Save. And you will see that work order request 227 was created. The next step to the process is creating a non-formal estimate to tie to work order request 227.